Hello again YouTubers, Mr. Fitz back again with another video. Today taking a quick look via an unboxing at the Samsung Galaxy Gear smartwatch. So without further ado, let's proceed. If you're thinking about buying one, don't be put off by anything you hear. It's an excellent device, much improved since its release with various software updates. The notifications as reported that didn't work now do. I certainly have Gmail working fine, Facebook notifications work fine, all other emails seem to be working fine. So don't be put off by anything you hear to the contrary. Also in the box, rattle, something interesting. The much hated charging cradle. I personally don't have a problem with it. The device has to be charged one way or another, so however it's done, you don't take the charger with you on your wrist. I don't see a problem with it. Also, the AC mains charger is in the box, and also in the box we have the warranty and the quick start guide. Incidentally, you can download an electronic PDF guide as well, which I think would be a lot better than the paper one included. But there we go, that's what's included in the box of the Samsung Galaxy Gear, the device itself. Raring to go there. You won't be able to wait to put that on your wrist once you get it. Fully customisable and great fun. Charging cradle, AC mains charger, which is via miniature USB, connects to the rear of the charging cradle. I'll show you that on another video. But yes, there we go. Device, AC charger, cradle, warranty card, quick start guide, and from then on in, it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching this brief unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Gear smartwatch. Mr. Fitz saying, hope you can see me again on another video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching, bye for now.